Well, let's move on to the final team, and that's five-time champions Chennai Super Kings. Let's see what they did at the auction. MS धोनी, ऋतुराज गायकवाड़, उनके जो रिटेंशंस हैं वो तो हम सभी को मालूम है. रविचंद्रन अश्विन, डीडी, you and I both had discussed this कि ये तो होने ही वाला है. I was a little surprised at 9 crore, 9 plus crore. Not surprised that they got Devon Conway back. Not surprised that they got Rachin Ravindra back. And of course, some of the other picks like Deepak Huda, that was very interesting for me. And then you look at, um, that there's this one spinner that they have really spent big money on. I'm looking for
Noor
his name.
Ahmed. Noor
Noor
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Noor
Yes,
Ahmed.
Noor Ahmed. I'd
Noor
forgotten the
Ahmed.
name. इतने सारे नाम हो गए. Okay, Noor Ahmed, again, very very interesting buy. You look at Nathan Ellis, very interesting buy once again. You look at Rahul Tripathi. Rahul Tripathi could do that Ajinkya Rahane role for them. So all in all, this has been a very decent auction once again. And now you have Stephen Fleming and MS Dhoni using their brains, and of course Ruturaj Gaikwad as well. Ki isko kaise, you bring in shape all of this. So let's start with the Dopayan Datta. Of course, he'll be having a big and close and watchful eye on CSK. How do you read this lineup, Dopayan?
Uh, what I feel is that this is a team too much with the Chidambaram Stadium in mind, the pitch of
Yes.
slow turning Chidambaram Stadium in mind. It's a good team. It kind of fits to the ethos of the way Chennai Super Kings plays their cricket. But my point is, if you look at the top three, four, like the 6 over 75 runs, that kind of a blaster the CSK doesn't have in the top three. And when it comes to bowling, they do not have a new ball bowler who can give you wickets. Like, because your Pathirana doesn't bowl in the power play. He doesn't bowl in the power play. He comes in after six. So in that case, you are almost depending on Ashwin to come in within the six to give you wickets. So there is a little bit of a defensive game right from the word go as they build their team. It is a good side. I am not saying it's bad, but there is a it is a formula which is very Chennai Super Kings. It is not
Okay.
a very it is not a very universal formula which fits into the ethos of today's T20 cricket.
Okay.
It's a very old school kind of a team where Ruturaj, Conway, then your
Hmm.
Rahul Tripathi comes in.
Hmm.
Then your first big hitter is Shivam Dubey, who is your designated spin
Okay.
hitter.
I
Then yeah, yeah.
Okay, I kind of disagree with what you've said. I'll take comment from Gaurav Gupta. He has to leave, so we'll take a final comment from him. Khalil Ahmed with the new ball, Rahul Tripathi at number three, and for me, Rachin Ravindra could open. Let's say Rahul Tripathi comes in at four, he could open the innings as well. Rahul Tripathi, Rachin Ravindra, Devon Conway, one of those two. Ruturaj Gaikwad at number three. The top, this could be your top four. This could be your top four, and they can be explosive on their day, and they can bat as per conditions at the Chepauk Stadium when they see how it is going. And Khalil Ahmed is there for the new ball. Obviously, not very reliable. We'll have to see how it goes for him. But in between Khalil, Matisha Patirana, Nathan Ellis, I'm sure they can bowl 5 overs there. Jamie Overton is also over there. So, look, इतना मुझे tough नहीं लग रहा है. They've retained their faith in Mukesh Chaudhary, of course. So it's not as bad as DD made it sound, is it?
No, no, I did not make it sound bad. I said I am slightly, I'm not
Confident.
very convinced, and there were people
Okay.
around the team
Okay.
who also told me so. Yeah.
And Sam Curran, yes, let's not forget Sam Curran is there as well. But again,
Yes,
yes, how
Sam
many?
Curran comes in at six, bowls again, back end.
Okay,
Yeah.
GG, your thoughts?
यार नॉट अ बैड टीम आई मीन सीएसके तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सोच के ही चलते हैं एंड नूर अहमद इज अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग रिक्रूट आई थिंक दैट दे हैव वहां पर उनको ज्यादा शायद उन्होंने किया अच्छा बॉलिंग लेकिन आई थिंक ही इज ओनली गोइंग टू गेट बेटर फ्रॉम हिज डेज इन जीटी I think it's almost like a steal from GT although he's come expensive not cheap. Khalil Ahmed
Yeah.
again was very good with Delhi Capitals. आज इंडियन टीम में भी वो है मतलब अब शायद इंजर्ड होके आए हैं वापस या जो भी बट ही इज देयर इन द मिक्स ऑलवेज यू नो Nathan Ellis again, somebody who's been there in the Australia's T20 team now for the last few, last some time. Of course, at the top four, as you said, is pretty flexible and pretty solid. You don't need to be really go bang bang bang. मतलब ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है कि वही एक approach है जो चलती है, जरूरी नहीं है. This approach could also work. These are guys who are free flowing batsmen, and once they get going, they'll be pretty good to watch. MS Dhoni, of course, mostly will be almost like an impact player. आएंगे अपना लास्ट के 2 ओवर या 2 बॉल और अपने छक्के चुक्के मार के निकल जाएंगे. ठीक है. But other than that, I think it's a decent. Of course, थोड़ा बहुत this उन्होंने भी लिए हैं, a bit of a this thing. Ruturaj Gaikwad will be very hungry to prove himself. Lost his T20 spot unfortunately, क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा रेड बॉल सीजन था. पीजीटी के लिए उनको सेलेक्टर्स तैयार कर रहे थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली फेल हो गए. डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में भी फिर वहां गए, इंडिया ए की कप्तानी में वहां भी कुछ खास नहीं बना पाए. आई एम श्योर विल बी हंग्री टू प्रूव हिमसेल्फ. मैं सबसे ज्यादा रविचंद्रन अश्विन के डिसीजन को लेके मुझे लगता है कि पूरा आउट एंड आउट इमोशनल डिसीजन है ये. He's obviously somebody who's in the twilight of his career, not in best bowling form also right now. जितना मैंने उनको मुंबई टेस्ट मैच में देखा, so bit of a emotional buy there. Of course, Shivam Dube, I expect him to have another big season. He's also somebody who's injured right now, but must be itching to come back. Deepak Hooda, another exciting prospect, and another exciting player who's always been around, but वो कर नहीं पा रहे कुछ ना अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म टू दैट लेवल. अंशुल कंबोज आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट. 10 विकेट लिए उन्होंने पूरे. मुझे लगा शायद ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कंडीशंस में वो आइडियल बॉलर होते हैं, लेकिन चलो वहां जो है बॉलर हमारे लिए बहुत बढ़िया बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एन एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटिंग प्रोस्पेक्ट, एंड आई होप अंडर the likes of MS Dhoni, Ruturaj Gaikwad, these guys, he brings out his best, and we have a future India bowler there. Sam Curran, of course, comes back here, and I'm sure धोनी उन पे बहुत रिलाय करेंगे, in terms of both batting and bowling, and शायद कई बार वो जल्दी भी आ जाए बैटिंग करने के लिए. So overall, and of course, विजय 3D शंकर भी है इस टीम में. उनको हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं? वो भी एक फ्लोटर है. वो भी सडनली टॉप 4 में आ सकते हैं, कहीं भी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay, Gigi, thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for your final comment. पूरी team निपटा दी आपने, but thank you so much. Let's talk about some of the points that he's raised, and also the fact, thanks Gigi, also the fact that we're getting some comments in here. Let's take in some comments. Sam Curran in 2.5 crore was a steal. Nathan Ellis is a very good buy. I absolutely agree with you in the kind of pitches that we have there. Not sure the name here, but he says there's no lack of power hitters. Hooda, Curran, and Shivam Dube. I'm not sure Deepak Hooda will be a starter. Ashish saying one thing is for sure, Chennai pitch is going to be a slow turner. मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि पहले जितनी slow थी उससे भी ज़्यादा slow हो जाएगी. साहिल अब?
Yeah, I think DD has hit the nail एकदम bullseye के ऊपर. This is a CSK squad tailor made for Chepauk. Slow, low turners. There's no power in the first 6 overs. There's no penetration with the ball in the first 6 overs. You had Mukesh Chaudhary for a long time played that role with the new ball जब वो injured नहीं था. Deepak Chair has been your regular bowler, giving you those 3 overs, even 4 on occasions with the new ball. Right now, I don't see that bowler giving you that early breakthroughs. I agree on that. You can't play Jamie Overton again. I think someone like
Jamie Overton is for away games. Jamie Overton is for away games.
That's what I said. I think someone like a Josh Hazelwood would have made a lot of sense for them. I think they should have gone
big for him.
Yeah, they should have gone big for him, because Gurjapneet Singh, Khalil Ahmed, all these guys there you can't. And Nathan Ellis also is more for a back of the length, hit the deck hard kind of bowler. Back of the innings में ball डालेगा. But वो जो void Deepak Chair का रहने वाला है, I think they did go for Bhuvi also, na? CSK, they did try to get Bhuvi.
Yes, they tried. Yeah, they tried.